It's
totally not gonna work.
totally recording. Is it raining?
No.
It's raining.
That hurt my knees. I'm gonna try it backwards.
Okay. Do you want to push? Car.
Oh.
Shit. I almost fell down that hill.
Whoa. I'm gonna try going down my hill. It's got snow on it.
Yeah.
Woo!
Your camera is nothing.
Still recording?
Yes. Your creek is pretty.
Huh?
Your creek, it's really pretty.
There's guinea pigs everywhere.
I know. We should go to my neighborhood next.
Oh, we're gonna go there after
See, look, sadness.
after we play over here. Is that even water or is it frozen?
It's water.
That's so smell it so you don't step in it.
Oh, that means spring is here. I have the camera. You can't hit somebody with a camera.
That's not what you said.
No. You can't hit somebody with a camera. You better run your ass.